hello viewers, I'm now filming this new TAG update.
Did you mean grow a garden?
No, I'm literally
Bro, no more
TAG
disco.
meets Go Garden.
There's no more disco.
No! Alright viewers, I'm
Yes.
I'm recording this so I can let you know the new update is super cool. So today guys, I will show you this update. I'm going to type yes in the chat, then he said yes please again.
Cosmetics, okay. Yo! He's flying. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Oh, oh, he's
So
flying.
guys, this update is insane. Let me check the costume with it.
Wait, I have a disco. Or oh yes.
Guys, this update is insane. If you wanna join, just add me.
What do you mean? What do you think I'm doing? Remember this way.
I'm literally
Yeah, but this
okay, guys. I'm back because of my annoying brother.
get the money emojis.
Oh yeah. I don't know what did I restrict.
Okay, now
Get some money emojis in the chat. Yeah, right. Put some money emojis on the chat. Bye, guys. I hope y'all. I hope y'all join this update because this is such a thing. Only at public servers because this is my brother's private server.
okay.
Oh my gosh! Can you imagine on Monday when they've asked why chat broke, then the engineer has to say because 10 million people. I didn't even get a chance to say it. I mean the builder man asked. So hello guys, I'm gonna go tell.
Mango.
Soon I'm gonna be recording
Bro,
at
there's a mango.
morning.
There's a mango seed.
Oh my gosh, there's a mango tree. Yes! There's a mango seed in stock, everyone. Come get it. I'm sorry for saying that because it's tomorrow I will gonna be posting this.
Cook the bird. Cook the bird.
Cook the bird. I'm actually cooking the bird.
It's because of your elf stock.
I'm gonna put this.
Remember Yusi? Remember Yusi, the pet?
Who?
The pet? My pet? Yusi, the turtle?
Yeah?
He's now a caterpillar. Look, Yusi. He's not a turtle anymore. Not a joke.
Really guys, I know.
How did he know there's a mango in stock?
Sorry, oh no. We just bought it. Then I just planted it. Sorry. Okay now guys. I'm now back in my garden. Now let's lovely
Explore.
explore my garden or destroy my garden. Now look my garden. It's full, right? I will I will just put some just collect some. Wait a second. I have a heavenly.
Bro, look what he said. Wait, next week I wanna add, and he can add every fruit in stock.
Bro, I was just walking, guys, then I accidentally saw this. What was this? I was just looking for something, then I accidentally saw this. Bro, have you got this?
Yeah, I got a melon, a moon melon, heavenly moon melon pollinated shop.
Let's check what it costs.
828,000.
My paper is
This I'm gonna show this oak.
okay. Now I'm gonna sell this. Okay, guys. I haven't used my harvest.
What
Oh.
product?
It is now old, so I will now use it. At my big giant, no, yes. What?
Can I talk to chat?
Yeah.
Hey chat, should I